Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that you might run into when working with certificates in .NET. You see, there's this certificate loading issue that arises when using the X509 certificate loader in .NET 9. The deprecated X509 Certificate 2 constructor leaves you with no option but to handle certificates differently, and that's where the trouble begins. When trying to load a certificate using the X509 certificate loader in .NET 7, you might encounter a cryptographic exception unless you take a daring leap and provide a specific configuration value. Quite an adventure, right? Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. It turns out that the issue stems from a bug in the .NET Standard 2.0 implementation of Microsoft BCL cryptography. Since you're on an out-of-support version like .NET 7, you're getting a flawed build that causes the loading hiccup. The good news is that the .NET Standard 2.0 build has been fixed, but you have a few options on how to proceed. Solution time. The best way forward would be to upgrade to a supported version of .NET, say at least .NET 8. With a supported framework version, you won't stumble upon this snag with Microsoft BCL cryptography. Alternatively, you can override the obsolescence warning with a pragma and continue using the constructors until you can switch to a supported version. Lastly, keep an eye out for the updated version of Microsoft BCL cryptography, though it might take some time before it gets released. In a nutshell, navigating the terrain of certificate loading in .NET can be tricky, especially when confronted with deprecated constructors and buggy builds. However, by understanding the root of the issue and exploring the available solutions, you can successfully maneuver through these challenges. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!